Well, hello, my Mr. Gear people. So, at 297,000 miles, the wiper motor finally went out on the Camry. Looks like it's pretty common. Got one from the Amazon. Took 3 tries since every time I tried to order it, it was out of stock. It was like $41, not bad. So it looks like the whole assembly's got to come out because I think it bolts in from the back side. Let's get after it. Okay. Let's get the wipers off. I don't want to lose those. Get these off with the looks like some of these little Toyota retainer dealies. Don't see any in there. This seems pretty loose. Maybe just those 2 in the corner. This bad boy. Well, that's broken. Apparently it lifts off the back. Disconnect. That's where that goes. All right. Okay, looks like that whole unit's gonna have to come out. So we just got 10s and 12s, I think. The 12s first, I guess. Nope, they're all 10s. You're an idiot. I mean, they're all 10s, looks like. One of them doesn't look like. Once we have this unit out, maybe actually the arms a little bit more to it. Child being murdered in my neighborhood. Sounds like with a leaf blower, maybe. What I'll do is put all these bolts in a container that's super easy to knock over. Okay. Got those 3 bolts out. Theoretically, this will lift right out. Here we go. I can't believe that actually worked. Just maybe do it without shattering my windshield. Okay, gonna need 2 hands. Okay, I just had to get the angle right. Slide the motor side out first like this. Boop, and it comes out. Boy, this has never been unplugged. I think this is gonna be a two-hander also. There we go. All right, looks like the right guy. Plugs look the same. They're swapped. Okay. Back together. Okay. Yay! I wonder if I got any stuff I can put on that. Now it only looks like it has about 200,000 miles on it. Better get these things out. It's gonna start rusting. Feels like there's a clip that just kind of goes under the windshield. There we go. All right. Ooh. These little deals, I didn't have to take it out. Now I know. Hopefully I'll never have to take this whole thing apart again. I hate these clips so much. Let's throw these new modem blades on before we let's see which one's which. 24. Ooh, these are fancy. They're clear. long as the hood closes, it'll be fine. It's fine. Hopefully they don't break anything. All right, there you go. Quick and easy, down and dirty. 10 minutes, wasn't that big a deal. So if you've got a 2009-ish Camry and you need to do a motor, it was like 40 bucks. It was on Prime. Not that big a deal. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.